Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how Spanish Christian killed every person of Incans, Aztecs, Mayans in North America and South America, and how they become 100% Christian countries. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how Spanish Christian killed every person, including women and children of Incans, Aztecs, Mayans, and other some cultures in North America and South America, and how they become 100% Christian countries. Before that, I want to tell you about forests. It is very important. Why? Because there are two types of forests. One is tropical forest and another is pine tree forest. One is tropical forest and another is pine tree forest. Pine trees are very orderly and they grow very orderly, but tropical forest is very chaotic. Pine tree forest means trees grow straight on the ground and it is very orderly, and the tropical forest means trees grow in zigzag ways and not like straight to the ground, and it is very chaotic. Tropical forest grows only near equator and some distance to equator, and pine tree forest grows at farthest distance from equator. Tropical forest grows only near equator and some distance to equator, but pine tree forest grows at farther distance from equator. Tropical forest countries are Central American countries, South American countries, except down part of South America. And Middle African countries, India and Southeast Asian countries, and some part of Australia. Pine tree forest countries are Canada, some part of North America, Europe, Russia, etc. Color of tropical forest people is light gray to black. Because they are living near sun, the heat of the sun is very high. Because of that, their skin color is like that. And color of pine tree forest people is white because they are living farther distance from sun. Because they are living farther distance from sun, the heat is very less. Because of that, their skin color is white. But if you see the present color of Central American countries and South American countries, it is white. How is it possible? You just think about it. But if you see the present color of Central American countries and South American countries, it is white. It has to be gray to black color because they are living near equator. Then heat of the sun must be high. Their skin color should be gray to black. But it is not so. Present people who are living in those areas, their skin color is white. Even if you see a few of present American Indians, if you see some of present American Indians, they are not white, they are grayish. How it happened? Around 300 to 500 years ago, there are beautiful empires called Aztecs, Mayans, Incas, and other cultures in North and Central and South Americas. And their culture is very much similar to Hinduism. Their culture is very much similar to Hinduism, and their color is grayish to black because they are living in tropical forest area near equator. Their culture is they have many gods, and their culture is very much similar to Hinduism and Sanatana Dharma. Spanish Christians were traveled to these North, Central and South Americans and killed the entire army with guns. And they did not spare even women and children and killed all population and occupied their lands. They don't even spare women and children, they killed all the population and occupied their lands. That's how these parts of the world became 100% Christian, like that. They killed all population and occupy their homes and lands. They just go and kill everybody. All of them have their local languages and they are very similar to Hinduism and Sanatana Dharma, like they also worship sun and different similar gods of Hinduism. These Spanish Christians came and killed our army and entire population and occupied those lands. And now they have only Spanish and Portuguese as their languages, and all local languages were died, particularly by Spanish people and Portuguese people. Genocide happened and the entire local population were obliterated. And even in India, Spanish Inquisition happened. We all know about what happened in Goa. How many hundreds and thousands were killed and forcefully converted by Spanish Christians. Like this, Spanish Christians did so many atrocities, and Hindus should be aware that same genocide can happen to them if Hindus don't act practically. And Hindus must have AK-47s, guns and bombs if they don't want to be murdered like Incas, Aztecs and Mayans in few years, and we have to do violence to make divine society. We have to understand that violence and war is not necessary, but also have to understand that violence and war are not bad things. Violence and war are not bad things. If things are not going correctly, we have to do the war. If things appear nice outside, if you just think about it, things appear nice outside, but inside it is not good, it's very wrong. If things appear very disturbing outside, but inside it is very good. Like ocean, if you see the ocean, it is very disturbing outside. It is very disturbing outside with waves, but deep inside it is very calm. What I am trying to say is, war is not desirable, but if we have to do war, then we must do war. And war and violence are not bad things. You cannot expect everybody as you very nice and good. We cannot expect everybody as you very nice and good. And there are high level Rakshasas exist in the society. If you don't kill them, they will butcher you like anything, and they don't even spare your wives and children, like it happened to Incas, Aztecs, Mayans, and many other cultures. Except doing war and doing violence, there is no other way and no other way and no other way. You can all tell me if there is other way without violence. You can think about it. Jai Gurudev.